Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study nested switch. What is a nested switch? When a switch contains further switch inside it, then it is known as nested switch. We can look here, it is case 1, it is an example of switch, it is case 1. Case 1 contain further switch inside it, so it is a nested switch. And case 2 is also contain. So when cases of a switch contain further switch in them, then it is known as nested switch. We can do more nesting also over here. There is no limit to nest a switch inside switch, but it is very complicated to control such a situation, and we can make software also with the help of such type of facilities or such type of syntax. So how we can solve a problem with the help of nested switch? We will do it practically. We will make a project of shopping mall, a little project of shopping mall with the help of nested switch. So first of all we will import util package for scanner class. Nested switch. We'll take main method. And here we will make an object of scanner class. Now we will create a menu. First of all we will print a message, welcome to shopping mall. Like this we can say a greeting message. Now we'll say 1 for clothes, 2 for sweets. Only 2 option I am taking, otherwise this program will become very long. Here we will ask user to enter your choice, and will read user choice like this, and on this user choice we will apply switch. In case 1 we will again make a menu. Here we will say welcome to garments store, and we'll say 1 for t-shirt, 2 for jeans. Two for jeans. Now we'll ask the user to enter choice. Here we'll take one more variable for choice, that will be ch. Like this, and now we'll apply switch on ch. In case 1 we'll say you purchase t-shirt and break. In case 2 we'll say you purchase jeans. Otherwise, in case of default, we can say wrong choice. And here we will apply break. So here we can ask multiple things, like we can ask enter the number of quantities of t-shirt you want to purchase, and we can give further options from of which brand you want to purchase, we can make it more complicated and more big software, but that will be very lengthy process. So here I'm explaining you in very short how we can make a software with the help of this nested switch on shopping mall. It is case 1. Now just copy and paste this. Case 2. And it will say welcome to sweet shop. One for will say cake, 2 for pastry. Enter choice. Here will say in case of 1 you purchase cake, and it will say you purchase pastry. Otherwise wrong choice. And we have to apply default here also. Wrong choice. Now first we will save this program. My computer C drive. In C drive we will go to JDK. In JDK we will go to bin and save this program as nested switch. Nested switch .java. Now we'll open command prompt and compile this program. Here we are missing semicolon. Nested switch. Not semicolon, we are missing double quote over here. Now Control S and run program again. Jeans. Here we are missing semicolon, and here also. Again Control S. Here choice spelling is wrong. Again Control S and done. System spelling is also wrong at line 13. Control S. Now it's okay. Enter. 1 for clothes, and in first option we will purchase t-shirt. Again I am going second for sweets, and second I will purchase pastry. So like this nested switch works. It is a very simple example of nested switch that I explained you here. I hope it will be more helpful for you, and you will be able to understand. You will be able to understand this program. But if still then you have some problem, you can ask me through comment. And if this video seems to be helpful, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel to study such type of video. Thanks for watching.